This is a 1978 Harley Davidson Ironhead Sportster. It's got matching numbers. It's a project bike. We haven't turned the engine over, it's locked. We've just been rocking it in gear, put some oil down the barrels, but hasn't freed up yet, so selling it as it is. The gear select on it, found that out when we were rocking it. There's no control levers on the handlebars, so I haven't been able to try anything else really. The starter motor feels like it wants to work, but it obviously can't because the motor isn't turning over. Well, it's got 3,200 miles on the clock. That's not very likely. Anyway, it's a US import. It comes with a Nova. If you're interested, this will be on eBay.